Well, I have a secret I have to admit to you. I don't normally do this. Yep, I'm filming 2 videos in one day, and it's for a very good reason. Now, you might be looking at me thinking, girl, what is up with your eye makeup? Well, listen, after I filmed the last video, I was playing. I do that sometimes. Like, I'm done filming, and I'm sitting at my makeup table, and I'm just itching to play with some colors because I'm not going out. I'm not going out to dinner. I'm not going to plays. I'm not going to concerts. I'm not doing anything. So I don't get to do my makeup for the fun of it, really. So I sat here and I played. And, well, those shiny colors may have happened. I don't care. I'm not going anywhere. I was just having fun. But then I got the notification. Oh, it had been delivered. And I was like, we're doing another video. So here we are. Now, on most channels, when you see an unboxing, there's like piles of boxes. Yeah, my unboxing today is for one very special box. Let's get at it. Oh yeah, I'm Jennifer Scott. Welcome to my channel, J Scott Beauty. Okay, let's get in here. Can I make much more noise? All right. Do any of you recognize that name? It's La Pruniere. You might be thinking, wait a minute, that's ringing a bell. All right, so this is what happened to me. Back in the middle of November, I can't remember exactly when, Chrissy Teigen posted an Insta story, and she was getting ready for bed, and she was talking about how she loved this product that she had been using, and she was out of it, so she had to use the little sample size, and she was so bummed, and that this wasn't a sponsored thing, that it was, you know, something given to her by one of her friends, and she was so in love with the product that it was now her only nighttime skincare. And I was like, I'm gonna look like Chrissy Teigen. All right, let's be honest. I will never look like Chrissy Teigen. I am mostly Irish, and she is half Thai, and her father is of Norwegian descent. So that's a magical combination that gave us Chrissy. Thank you, God. Anyway, she loved this product so much. She said she had nothing to do with the company, but she was just mentioning it during her bedtime routine. And I thought about that product for literally a week. Can I say the word literally? I literally thought about the product for a week, which was stupid. I should have bought it right when I saw it. But no, I waited a week and then I placed my order. And then I got the bad news from these lovely folks at La Pruniere that because of Chrissy's post, they had blown out all of their stock, and they would do the best they could to get it, you know, restocked in time for us. And then I sat and waited. And now it's January 5th. That's more than a month and a half later, but it's finally arrived. Ah! Inside it says, discover the power of the plum. All right, so I'm going to give you a little background on La Pruniere. So they are a family-owned farm, plum farm, in, I believe it's Sutter County, California. It's been in their family for, I don't know, close to 100, oh, maybe over 100 years now. Not, whatever. Who cares? Anyway, the Taylor family in Sutter, California have been growing plums organically since the 80s. They've been doing it for decades before that, but they've been a full organic operation since the 80s. And approximately 80% of their produce they actually export to Asia because they, in Asia, just revere the plum for its antioxidant-rich properties. And now, because of Chrissy Teigen, we're all going to learn about it. So this family grows, harvests, and press everything right on the farm. Eco-friendly farming and sustainability is huge to them. And the plum beauty oil that goes into making this little gem is made from 250 pressed kernels, also known by us as the pits. Yep, there are 250 of them in this 1 ounce bottle. I mean, look at this pretty packaging. We've got the little white flowers that spring up on their trees in springtime. Oh, look at this gorgeous black bottle. It's still cold from being on the mail truck. And right on the bottle, it says La Pruniere Plum Beauty Oil, 100% plum oil made in California. Now, I got all my information off of their YouTube page. They have just a few videos posted, so I'm going to take you to school on some of the things I learned. So dried plums have higher antioxidants than kale, blueberries, and spinach. And they are 6 and 8 times stronger than marula and argan oil at fighting free radicals, which of course we know are the cause of the signs of aging on our face. See ya, free radicals. It also has a natural SPF of 10, but you still got to use your regular SPF. It's rich in vitamin E, provitamin A, and omega-6 and 9. All right, I'm just trying to get in here. It has the little protective seal on here, which I cannot even be bothered to figure out how to get off right now. Look at that beautiful golden oil. Oh my God, I am so excited to try it. Let's put just a little bit on my hand and see how it feels. Yep, feels like a beauty oil. It's nice and rich, but it doesn't feel like super greasy. It feels like it's absorbing nicely and like it'll dry down nicely. Ooh, I like that very much. Okay, and of course there's a little card that comes with it that tells you all sorts of things that you need to know. Now the girl did say, I think her name was Allison Taylor, she did say that you can use it on the ends of your hair. She puts a couple drops in her hands and massages into her scalp like an hour or two before she takes a shower. Obviously it's a beauty oil, so you can use it at night before you go to bed. She actually uses almost a full dropper on her face before bed. Her sister uses it to mix in with her foundation to kind of, you know, give it that little bit of glow. She uses it on her cuticles. It has lots of great uses. However, I just want to tell you that this little bottle of gold, don't tell my husband, was $70. Yeah, it's a little pricey. Yeah, it's a lot pricey. I never spend money like that on something like this. And I will say, it's Chrissy Teigen's fault. I'm totally blaming that bitch. It's all her fault. If she wasn't so beautiful, if she wasn't telling me this was the only thing she was using before bed, if that didn't make me want to be Chrissy Teigen, then I wouldn't have spent that money. But all of that happened. Okay, so what we have here is just a plain old single one package unboxing. I have no idea how it's going to work. I'm going to use it every night for the next week on my face, neck, and décolleté. I will hold off on any of my anti-aging products just because I want to see exactly what this does. I want to see if it makes me break out. It shouldn't, hopefully. I want to see if I do get a gorgeous glow from it. I want to see if it helps my skin feel nourished and not dry. So we'll see what happens over the next week, and I will update you in my next video next Wednesday to let you know what I think. So in the meantime, thanks for being here for this impromptu, well, I needed a video for Friday, but this, oh my God, I'm so glad it showed up. I will leave information linking you to La Pruniere, to their website, and to some of their videos so you can learn about them if you're at all interested. And I want to thank you for being here with me and for putting up with my crazy eyes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.